What if I told you there is a dog so formidable that predators think twice before stepping into its territory? Meet this Arabi, a legendary guardian bred in the highlands of Iran for centuries. But there is more than brute strength. This is a story of devotion, of underfed giants sacrificing everything to protect their flocks. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe to join our paw family and uncover the world's most extraordinary dogs. The Sarabi dog is no ordinary breed. Native to the Sarabi region of Iran, these dogs have guarded livestock for centuries, standing between flocks of sheep and the threat of wolves, bears, and even leopards. Their size, strength, and unwavering courage make them invaluable companions to shepherds and villagers alike. Their job? To protect the flock at all costs. These massive guardians are bred for endurance, strength, and an instinctive bond to their animals. They watch over herds in remote mountain pastures, where the conditions are harsh, food is scarce, and predators roam free. Physically, Sarabis are imposing. Males can weigh from circa 50 to 68 kilos, and some sources say even more, with heights around 71 to 81 centimeters at the shoulder. The females are slightly smaller. Their muscular bodies, dense double coats, and mane-like ruff make them look like living legends. Their coats, ranging from fawn to brindle and black, protect them from harsh mountain climates, while their expressive dark eyes reveal intelligence and alertness. Their broad chest and powerful frames give them that commanding presence. But what truly sets them apart is their devotion. Despite being in regions where livestock guardian dogs often go underfed, unattended, and face extreme conditions, Sarabis stay with their charges. No complaints, no retreats. They become part of the flock. Their value was not just in muscle. It was in their willingness to stand alone at night while the shepherd slept to save one sheep or one lamb. They are territorial, intelligent, and independent thinkers, traits that make them exceptional guardians, but also challenging for first-time dog owners. Rumor has it a Sarabi's bite force could reach up to 700 psi. While not officially measured, it's clear these dogs are built to defend with incredible power. They are so rare and respected that even history whispers their name. Some Sarabis even accompanied Alexander the Great on his campaigns. Imagine a dog so legendary that it walked alongside one of the greatest conquerors in history. They are not only guarding territory, they are guarding lives. For centuries, Iranian shepherds trusted Sarabis to fend off predators and protect their livelihood. These dogs watched over thousands of sheep, day and night, often with minimal resources. While there is not a reliable figure for exactly how many sheep a single Sarabi can guard, research on livestock guardian dogs in general suggests a range. For example, one dog in open terrain might guard up to 1,000 ewes plus lambs in ideal conditions. In other words, a single dedicated Sarabi working in a favorable environment could be responsible for enormous flocks. But realistically, factors like terrain, predator pressure, and herd cohesion matter most. And remember, we are talking about a breed so respected that some believe they accompanied historic armies in the region. So verification is limited. Their lineage traces far back. In short, the Sarabi's strength and loyalty forged in mountain winds, built for guardianship, shaped by hardship, and trusted to stand between life and death for the flock. And for those wondering, yes, our next video will explore ancient dogs that marched with Alexander himself. So stay tuned. If you are amazed by the Sarabi's power, loyalty, and selfless service, please give this video a thumb up. Share it with your fellow dog lovers and subscribe for more epic stories of the guardians of the animal world. Which legendary dog breed should be explored next? Drop your suggestion in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick.